All right, guys. I want to show you quickly the double zones, and this is something new that I haven't showed you guys before. You notice that I have two sets of swing lines up here, swing one and swing two. So there's four sets of lines up here now. So I figured that a lot of you guys who have been following me for a while are probably about ready to use more than just the one swing line. But the primary focus here is the double zone. And all the double zone is a swing line that is in a very close proximity to a major line. And that's what this is. This major line runs all the way across, right? It gets cyan again once we get on the other side of this swing. So double zones are areas where you're going to have a lot of trouble. So you can see that we came down to the major two, we came up to that double zone, and we sold off. And we came up to the double zone again. The bulls tried to push it, but we had a quick reversal bar down immediately afterwards, and then got back down below the double zone again and never broke it again till later on in the day. But you can see we came up and tested it once, twice, three times, and then we broke hard. Down over here, we had a double zone as we're selling off down into it. It pegged the low for the day. And you can see once we hit that, we bounced off it and we closed almost on the high of that bar. So that was a major reversal. So we ultimately started rallying back up. But you can see that these lines are in play throughout the course of the day. But these double zones are a big deal. You got to pay attention to them, especially when look, we've got three of these lines really close together right here. So this is an area that you need to pay attention to. It's telling you this is a lot of areas of time are coming together in a relatively tight range. You are going to get a move one way or the other. And it really doesn't matter which instrument that you're trading. Like let's see here. This is the ES from Monday, and you can see that the major lines, right? This major one was instrumental. Once again down here, then major two here, and so on and so forth. But you know what? I'm gonna pop the Bund up here too while we're at it. This is what I'm talking about right here. You see how these are all close together? This is a Bund from Monday. But you notice how major one, swing one, and major two are all really close together. And what happens in there? We chop around, right? And we don't know which way this is going to break. This could have just as easily broken up, right? But in this situation, it ended up breaking down. All this is telling you this is an area that you need to watch because you have a high probability of getting a move in one direction or the other because of the fact that these three lines are so close together. Like I've said, and I'll say it again, we are not in the business of trying to predict. We are in the business of probability, setups, and trying to determine what may be the final outcome of that setup. All right? So anyway, just a quick rundown of everything from Monday. Hope you guys have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon.